In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do weighted ankle eversion. So firstly, I just want to cover what eversion is, what you're going to need, and then how to do it. So firstly, eversion of the ankle is to bring the foot away from the body. So when we point the ankle and foot away from the midline of the body, we're going into ankle eversion. And that is what we're going to be doing for this demonstration. Now, I've got three things here. I've got an ankle weight, which I'm going to strap around the bottom of the foot. So I'm going to make that really nice and tight. I've also got a mat that I'm on as well. Again, the mat's optional. And I'm using a foam roll here, so you can use anything that really props the ankle up. We want the foot to be freely hanging, and then we're going to be working not only against the weight, but also against gravity as well. And this is just for me to put my ankle on to basically prop the ankle up. If you wanted to, you could have a pillow for your head when you're side lying if that's more comfortable. You could also have a pillow underneath your inner thigh as well. Again, it's optional, whatever you would like to do that makes it most comfortable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start side lying, and I'm going to have my ankle on the actual foam roll here. I'm now going to relax my foot so it's pointing down. I'm then going to bring the whole of my body down. And remember what we said first, so we're bringing the ankle away from the midline of the body. So because I'm side lying, that means to point the ankle up towards the ceiling in this example. So I'm trying to come up as high as I can, and then I'm going to relax back down as high as I can, and relax back down. I'm going to move the foam roll so hopefully you can see it better on the camera. So this is what I'm doing. I'm coming down, allowing gravity to point my foot down, and then I'm going to come up into ankle eversion without trying to move my hips or move my knee. I'm trying to keep my hip and knee completely stationary and trying to get all the motion coming from my ankle as I try to point the foot up, bringing my ankle away from the midline of my body and then coming back down. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions before doing exactly the same thing on the opposing leg.